Hello, you are welcome back to my channel, and here is brother Dim. He will be the captain for this very tour. And where are we going today, guys?
Khuailiangkhow Waterfall.
Yes, I hope it is a very wonderful place. So we'll go and see what is there and find out. So let's go. Have reached our place, and now we have to move with our food up there. So we are being dropped by our pastor. Tunggu nih, hai Pau.
Ada yang Palembang gede.
What would I put in it? Here is of tiffin, and this is we'll enjoy with this later on. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
Let's see what brother Dave. No, I see no. We are like 5 kilometers away from Rengpang Bazaar, and we have to come through this way. Yeah, we have to go up there, and we have to travel along the stream, river, or rivulet. I don't know. We'll go up through this, and then we'll go find the place. And if you guys are interested, you can come and visit this place. You will see the place, how beautiful it is, and it is not that far from the highway, just 5 kilometers. And here the road condition is quite good. They're in the Old Castle Road, and walking up here we have to go by foot only because there is no
Let's go.
road. We have started to see some waterfall. Shoot to the singer. Big waterfall. Way up here is Talimkhow. Let's go, Sam. Even though, have to climb through this. Okay. Here is another natural swimming pool. I think later we'll come and enjoy here. And these are the waterfalls. We have 2 here in the same pool. And we'll make it clearer when we go up there. These are the mats that I'm going with. I will have to go through that quick and get there. This is not the only one. We have got more beautiful one here. So we'll just go on. One day we'll try to bring all our crowd and enjoy here. One day. The water is becoming less because there wasn't rain for quite a while. When the water is more, we can see a big waterfall falling from the sky. Dian, how high it is? It is very high, you know. I think this is more than 50 or 60 meters. I'm not sure. But here, water is not that much, but you can still enjoy the fall here. You can manifest it like a Yeah, I have learned very important things here, and let him tell you. What is that? Let's keep our environment clean by not littering or scattering plastics or peppers in the area. Or stuff. Wherever you go, any sports, any tourist spot or wherever, let's not litter any plastic, any bottles or anything. Like they do. I really appreciate them. This is all the plastic which they have carried from home, and all the water bottles are inside, right? And all the things are inside. Okay, that's very good thing. I really appreciate it. Thumbs up. Yeah. Okay, that's very good one. Okay. See here is the water coming out, and then here's some from here. You can see the water coming out here, but actually the stream is not here. Here's nothing. Okay, this is a kind of amazing thing. Maybe just raw, but see, there's no stream here. But see, the stream is not here even, but there only. See, exactly there. It's like 30-40 feet away. Maybe water goes in from here. I'm not really sure. Or here. Maybe it goes in from here. This is a kind of amazing thing. If the water is more, the water may go to this spot. Water goes there. Hello, here we are at Duiluanglei Waterfall. You can see it. Very beautiful. Bây giờ có Duiluanglei cầu đầu câu dưới đây. Dưới hết cầu cảnh rồi lên ghé tàu vắng tàu. Đây là các bạn á, cảnh từ đó Duiluanglei thì tàu thế. This is very nice place. Why we call Duiluanglei? Because the stream is like fall from here, but it goes under the water goes under the stone and rock, and it falls from here. So we call it away, and this is the a little bit rough, but hey, this is June cultivation. Sing loud. Sing loud thế. Con nào hồn đi. Đây. Con này làm thế. Bọn mình sẽ tu vào mê. We enjoy doing these things like cropping. This is not far. When it is time to harvest, I'll take you guys out here again. So, most exciting and enjoying moment is yet to come. Get down there. Many small mountains. It was only bamboo, okay, here. Only bamboo grew, and then see, you can see there. At Juko, we are told that it was dwarf bamboo, but here this is another kind of Juko, but it grows big bamboo, you know, where we eat and where we just make use for, you know, for house or whatever. So, dear friends, one day I will take you guys out here, like during the harvesting time. Rock, big enough here. Big one, yeah. So stay here. Oh, and let me show you something beautiful. Okay, here. The road out down there. That is the old castle road, and these are the mountains, you know. Yeah, and the forest. Let's see what is inside. Hey, apa? Lapau phụ đi. Lapau sủi tao đấy, pa đó. Kít đi gì? Hey, cậu hái.
Duiluanglei là Talimkhow là khuailiangkhow giáo là quang ạ. Hẹn. Xung quanh có đồng xe.
Tao cứ. Làm cung này nhỉ? Sao mà mày đâu xuống rồi?
Nhắc tu buộc chèo đấy. Như vậy tôi nghĩ vào ngôi giếng này. Thì ra được. Nó thì có.
Filter vậy đấy.
Hết.
This is our filter.
Hey.
Hey Joe.
This is dry cake. Whoever wants to eat it, you're very welcome.
Filter 1. Filter 2.
Nói cái gì?
Filter 3 and filter 4 is out there. And actually filter 6 is
Here.
cái gì đây? And I'm representing filter 7, right? Filter 7. Oh, good. All right. This is how we made a place to find shelter. This is a very nice thing. See how? Oh, this is really beautiful, yeah. That's how we practice, doing cultivation. This is just fine. We plant different type of crops. This is really beautiful. This is Talimkhow. When I come to this place, I remember a thing which my mother told me that shocked me, you know. When my mom was very small, my grandma took her out and took shelter here. Why? Because the Indian Army was in search of the NNC and even their loved one, like wife, children, have to run away from village to find a shelter here. So this is really shocking thing for us to know. And these are the place they cook something here and they eat in this very place, and they even try to sleep somewhere here around like this, and they heat themselves for many a time. Even Naga workers, they are being chased away from home and they took shelter here. So this is a very historical place, and this is very nice place. Check it, that there. I'm gonna join them. So let's go. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. More interesting videos are coming. Stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe. Hit the notification button that you don't miss the next video. And if you enjoyed the video, comment, and please do tell me if you know any interesting and any beautiful place where we can go and have fun. Please don't hesitate. Please do tell me. Okay? Alright. Now we are heading back home. We are back home, we are on the way, So, until then, take care. See ya in the next video. Bye.